Keypad code 4125. Oh, it turned the light on, but it didn't fucking open. What kind of shit is that? What the fuck? How's that even possible? 4125. Enter. There we go. That's weird. The first time it just fucking turned the goddamn light on. Ooh, I can smell someone cooking dinner. It's time to fucking go, boys. Let me show you one time from in here. Since I get paid so much to do this shit. See, look. Also the fucking trim. Ooh, what is that? Fuck. But yeah, look. Well, that's water in here. That's water. But let me find the spot that sucks. See, these things are all flat. Usually they have more of a 45. But yeah, see where the screw is? That's from them slipping off the screw. Boom, hitting it. But everywhere there's a screw there's that wavy part, and you see it from outside. See right here, they tighten that down. From outside you see it. I mean, it's just, see right here? Going across. So from outside, you see that. Between that and their foam tape that they use, garbage. See, look at this. But how? That's from them, going from this screw to that screw. Screws all sideways. And once again, I tell you, what the fuck you want me to do? There's not much we can do now, it's done. See, so that's on the inside, and then over here, that's the seal outside. It's just like in the corner, same. But yeah, these used to be flatter. They used to come out like more of a 45, but they're not. Maybe it's thinner glass, I don't know. But these are how the struts should be on, like that. Kapow! And they're not in the window, they're right flush with the window. You got a shim in behind there. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, there's shim in there. Keeps them flush here. Keeps them, but that gap, there's no way to get rid of that. It doesn't show from outside, but see, the other thing is, no matter what, you line these up in the center. This is the slot that they give us, way over here. Look at this style. So if you were to take this slot and move it over here to where they line up, so they got 2 slots in a row. See up there? They have 2 slots in a row. You can get one to kind of line up here, but the 2 holes don't. See, you got this extra slot. I don't know why what that's for. Why? Why, Harmon? Tell me. Tell me why. Why is your work so shitty? But yeah, that's how the book shows them. All the struts go that way, and then the top one flips that way. This, they don't show it all from outside. I get them nice and straight. What I do is to start them is I come over here to the middle. I start in the middle, put just one to hold it. Then I come to the end, put my end one in. Then I come back, And I started putting this one in just to hold it, while I put those two in. And everything's nice and straight. Then I go from that end over there, I come to this end, put that one in, then I'll go to the second style end, do those, then I'll get that one, over one, and then back to the center, take this one out that I have just holding it, get the hinge on there, put them both in, then flip it up and do this. Sometimes I'll even just flip it up without that shim in there. Self tap those so the holes are there, pull them back out, put that shim down in there, and zip them back in. Because it's hard to hold the shim in there and get your hinge on straight. So if you want your hinges straight, it's about the easiest way I've found to do it. Don't put the shim in, get your holes drilled, pull them back out, put the shim behind there, tighten it down. Done deal. Now listen to this motor. Stop it. We gotta look at this. Good old classic Josh special. That thing, Carter key, rubbing on the track. Sounds horrible. Let's go ahead and bend them all the way around. There. Let's check this side real quick. Oh, see, that side is done the right way. So there's no fucking way it drags on the fucking track all day. But yeah, these motors, they I think it's 87,505 or 84,500 something. The cheaper camera motor, non-battery backup. Listen to it. Does not like that. And the door by hand. Watch, one hand. So don't tell me it's the door. The door is not heavy. It's one arm here. It's me pushing it up. Look, I mean, it works really easy. And that motor does not want to pull it at all. I mean, it does, but not very good. It's gonna make a little noise here. Clipping back in. Watch. See how slow it gets? I don't know, man. Seems like it's pretty weak. I'm going home. 'Cause it's dark outside.